Welcome to Kelo TV, where we teach how to create a website, how to create a game, and also an application. Not only to teach you how to create, but also how to make money out of it, how to monetize the app, how to monetize the game or the website. So if you're new, consider subscribing for more videos updates. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a game. I'm going to show you, as I always said, for my subscribers on my WhatsApp group, I always drop code for each of my games or app or even the website ideas. I always drop it there, so you join and you get my code for free. So you can see this is the screenshot of my screen. If I play, you're going to see this is how the game works. So this is not a new game. It's a popular game. If I go to a Google Play Store, we're going to see a lot of example of this game. So as you can see, this is how the game works. So I'm going to give you code for you to have access to this type of a game, and you're going to monetize it. This particular one, I monetize it with Unity Ads. So you can decide going by Unity Ads or AdMob. Okay, so here this is how the game works. Okay, so without wasting time, let's see the example of the games here. So you can imagine these are example of the games, because as you can see, not the same thing with our own. So here you can see total number of downloads on this game. So if I open another one, we're going to see, let's open another one. Okay, let me go back and let me go back. Okay, so you can see this is 500 million downloads. So if I take you here to calculate the revenue which this person, the ex makes, you're going to understand that it's time now for you to start this game creation. So here you can see I am Europe, Middle East and Africa. So here I'm going to select my device type, Android. So here it's game. I put it on game and I click the calculate. So here you can see with only 5,000 active users, you'll be making $698. So these are the example of the game, as you can see. So with this game, you'll be making, as you can see, this is the example. So now if I increase the number to 1 million, because from there we saw was 500 million downloads. So here you can see with only 1,027,003, you can see you'll be making $14,327 every single month. So you can see it's actually it's time now for you to get started. Okay, so here if I check here, you're going to see how I design the game. Here if you go back, this is another example with 1 billion, not million. So imagine this person has has let's say 7 million, let's say 10 million. Can you imagine? You'll be making 129,501. So you can imagine this game. And as you can see, this game is not pop, as in it's not much. The developers are not much on this type of games. So you can see you have the time to start it now. Okay, so here you can see this is the where I started my coming up with the idea of the game. Okay, so I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to drop it. So here you go to next we go to Hub Creator 24 to create our game. Here you go, create. If you don't have an account on this website, make sure you create an account, and you see an interface where it shows create app button. So here we go, where I'm going to show you where to host the code if I give you. Okay, here I copy and I go to Hub Creator 24 to so here we go. Here you put the name of the app. Okay, let me maybe put the same name here like this. So for you, you can name the game whatsoever name you want to name it. So here also create your unique logo for your game, just like this one. You can see this is the logo. So make sure you find way and create your own logo. There's so many websites where you can get access to create free logo. So make sure you prepare your own logo in a unique way. Okay, so here I pick because of the tutorial. Here I okay, and make sure you take your time, write a good description, or ask AI to write description for explain your game, and it's going to do that for you. We'll go to next. Here it doesn't matter, you go to next again. Here you go to create an empty app below here. Here we go to app manager, and here we go to section, and here we go to create section, and here you go to HTML because I'm going to give you the short code for you to use. Okay, here you go to enter direct HTML. I learned that if I give code, some of you doesn't customize. Take your time and do some changes. If I explain and I show you to remove something, because that makes your game to be unique. Okay, so here we copy the code, you remove this, and or you can copy, you can remove anything entirely, as in everything entirely from here, and you put only the code I will be giving you. So here you put the name of the section, but here I'm going to disable the header section of the this section title. We're going to remove it later on. So here you save changes. So once finished, if you see the game here, if you see it has no header of the game or the name of the game. So here we go to design, as I always guide. So you go to design, and here you go to menu type, and here you select without menu. So once you do that, your game will have the interface like this, the same like this. And as I always guide, make sure you go here. That is now it's time to add more code. But for me, I use Unity Arts, but you can use any one you like. So here you go, you create from your add mob. Okay, you log in and create a new app. Here you copy the app ID, you put it and you save it. You save and you go to ads, where I always guide how to do the same. You put the the Unity ID here. You can do for each one. Okay, so I've created it already, so that is why it's showing automatically. For each one I click. So that is how you're going to do for all. Once finished, you save changes. Okay, once that done, it's now time for you to, from here, as I always guide, you have the right to change where do you want ads to show on the app, maybe top or button here. So you can also do those changes here. You can see mine, I pick a button so that the ads will be showing button, and here you can make the ad to be larger on the screen. Okay, so that is how it works. So now you download your APK file, you can see here you download and you head to App Store where we have videos on how to upload it on App Store. So I'm also going to drop that video as well. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.